Hey, yeah, hope you're having a good time. Let's step into the type 2 questions. Let's understand the type 2 questions, that is simplification of square roots. In the question, it is given as root 13 value is 3.605 and root 130 is equal to 11.40. These are the approximate values. Find the value of root 1.3 plus root 1300 plus root 0.013. Let's solve this. Root 13 is given as 3.605 and root 130 is given as 11.40. So let's bring down this equation with these two terms. So 1.30 or 1.3 can be written as 130 by 100. Similarly, 1300 can be written as 13 into 100 and 0.013 can be written as 130 by 10,000. By substituting these values, we get square root of 130 by 100 plus square root of 13 into 100 plus square root of 130 by 10,000. From this, square root of 100 is equal to 10. We all know this. So this equation becomes square root of 130 by 10 plus square root of 13 into 10 plus square root of 130 by 100, as the value here is 10,000. Now let's get back to the question. The data given is square root of 13 is equal to 3.605 and root of 130 is 11.40. Let's substitute here. It becomes 11.40 by 10 plus 3.605 into 10 plus 11.40 by 100. And this will become 1.14 plus 36.05 plus 0.114 on simplification. And the final value will be 37.304. This is the answer. Now in the next question, by how much does root 12 plus root 18 exceed root 3 plus root 2? In order to get this value, we need to subtract this term and this term. Let's do that. Root 12 plus root 18 minus root 3 plus root 2. We are subtracting because we need to know how much this value is exceeding this particular value. Now root 12 can be written as root of 4 into 3 and root 18 can be written as root of 9 into 2, and from this we are subtracting root 3 plus root 2. As we know, root of 4 is equal to 2 and root of 9 is equal to 3. By substituting this, let's take this as equation 1. The equation 1 becomes 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 minus root 3 plus root 2. Let's shift them here. We get 2 root 3 minus root 3 plus 3 root 2 minus root 2. And this on simplification, you will be getting root 3 plus 2 root 2. This is the final answer. That is the end of type 2. We shall deal with another category in the next lecture.